Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief, the final trading day of the month. We're on Tuesday the 31st of May 2022. Solid day for Bitcoin and the rest of the markets yesterday, to be honest. Absolutely flew to the upside, and Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin all looking pretty strong right now. More so Bitcoin, to be honest. You can see here we've been able to break through the recent range highs. If I just go into the chart a little bit deeper, you can be able to see here we've now got that strong daily close above all those range highs. Question is now, can they hold? Very thin range today so far, so not much volume at all, and no real direction has been assumed yet. Of course, the top of this range coming in around 31,000 is going to be the area to watch. You can already see we've tested that today and bounced and just in the green, but only just, I must say. Can they hold above that now is going to be the question. Has this been a nice accumulation period for Bitcoin? After being able to hold the lows quite impressively, 2 inside bars in a row, typical breakout, and now trading up into potentially retesting that long-term ascending trend line. If you recall this, we were discussing this, seems like a lifetime ago now, but you're probably meeting that ascending trend line around 35,000. That's where we'd also come into play with the 50-day moving average. So probably that 35 area is going to be the next big target for bulls. Ethereum not looking as strong as Bitcoin. I mean, yesterday was a very strong day, don't get me wrong, but as you can see, still trading below those recent range lows. If anything, just looking a little bit more bearish today than BTC, as you can see in the red at 2,000. Just wasn't able to get a daily close above the 2,000 psychological round number handle yesterday, and a failure to do so, you just seen some sellers come back in and think, okay, well, this is the time that I can look to sell that rip for a move back into 1,900, back into even 1,700. So just watch out. Daily closes above 2,000 is what the bulls need, and then of course looking at those range highs around 21, 22. Ripple has been able to break through the descending trend line. Remember, Ripple and Bitcoin, the two which held their range lows much better than the other two did, which were looking pretty nasty at one point. But Ripple now looking to push higher into 0.4445. As you can see, pretty flat day so far. The previous two H4 bars closing completely flat. That's after yesterday's rip higher. Question is now, can they hold this trend line? If it retraces back in there, they need to find some support to push us higher. Can they start to put in a few higher lows and continue to move higher and rally into 0.4445 from here? Last but not least, Litecoin, which is currently at 68.6. Overhead, we've got 75 as the initial resistance level that we'll look for. As you can see, quite a significant number of daily bars got rejected off there the last time we were trading near there. So I'll be watching very carefully on an intraday, but also on a daily basis to be able to look for and identify any possible reversals. Usually you like to see a nice little wick which is pushing into that handle, and then a daily close obviously below probably the previous daily close as well, and then that might be a sign for me back down to retest the lows at around 65-ish. That's Litecoin. That's it from my end. There's no other major crypto news that I want to share that's come across my desk yet anyway. If there is, it'll be in the chat room before the end of the trading session. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.